So today we are going to explore how we can implement text-based CAPTCHA in Django on server side. So first, let's see what is CAPTCHA. So CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. It's a type of challenging response test designed to determine whether a user is a human or a bot. It helps prevent automated software from abusing your website, like spamming forms or scraping content. So there are several types of CAPTCHAs: text-based CAPTCHAs, image-based CAPTCHAs, audio-based, and reCAPTCHA. And we are going to explore text-based CAPTCHA in this video. So let's take our overview what we are going to make in this video. So I have a simple HTML form here in which I have implemented CAPTCHA. You can see it is showing an image in which there are some text. So in this CAPTCHA, I have used server-side validations. So if I enter the text that do not match the words in this image, I will get an error that invalid CAPTCHA. And you can see every time when I refresh this page, you will get a different CAPTCHA. So if I enter the correct CAPTCHA here, then you can see the form is successfully submitted. So let's see how to make it using code. So for that, you just need to install a package that is Django Simple CAPTCHA, and then go to your Django settings, and in your installed app, add this CAPTCHA here, and then in your project's URL, include CAPTCHA URL in your path. So now I'm going to make two functions. One is to generate a CAPTCHA and second one is to validate the CAPTCHA. So first I'm going to import CAPTCHA store from captcha.models, and then from captcha.helpers. I'm going to import CAPTCHA image URL that will help me to generate the image. So here in this function, generate key method will create a new entry in CAPTCHA store model with a unique hash key. And then I'm going to generate a CAPTCHA image URL based on the hash key. And then this function will return new CAPTCHA key and new CAPTCHA image URL. Now in this function, we are going to validate the CAPTCHA key and CAPTCHA value. This function will take two arguments. One is CAPTCHA key and another one is CAPTCHA value. So first we create the CAPTCHA instance that matches the CAPTCHA key with hash key. And then here I am going to compare the values. If CAPTCHA value matches the CAPTCHA instance, then we are going to return true, otherwise this function will return false. So now let's use these functions in our Django view. So first of all, we are going to import the functions. So first we are going to call this function, and this function will return new CAPTCHA key and new CAPTCHA image URL. So we are going to store these values in this variable. And now we are going to return these values when GET request is made on this view. So now you need to migrate this app we added in installed app. So now in your HTML form, you need to add the CAPTCHA image and the CAPTCHA key. So this is the URL of CAPTCHA image that we are getting from the backend. So this is the input field where we get the value from the user and send this value to the backend. So now in your HTML form, you can see you have CAPTCHA image here, and now we just need to validate the values we enter here. Right now there is no validations on this CAPTCHA, so we need to add the validation in our view. So first we will get the value of CAPTCHA key and CAPTCHA value that we have defined in name attribute in your HTML form. And here now to validate the CAPTCHA, we can call validate CAPTCHA function that will take CAPTCHA key and CAPTCHA value in the argument and return true if the value is correct. So we are just validating CAPTCHA here. If the function will return true, the further code will execute. Otherwise, we will return this error message that invalid CAPTCHA, please try again. Let's try is this functionality working or not. So first we will enter invalid CAPTCHA. Will we get the error or not? You can see we have the error that this was the invalid CAPTCHA. Let's try with the exact value. Form has been submitted because the CAPTCHA value was correct. Okay, so that's all for the video. If you found this helpful, you can like the video, and if you want to get more content like this, you can subscribe to this channel.